Unfortunately, Vanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Applause means praise by clapping hands. Okay, let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. Okay, exquisite means very beautiful. Okay, and the teacher told that Vanda won the prize, but unfortunately, she has not been attending school for some days as she was absent on Monday, Tuesday, and today on Wednesday also, and Thursday also she was absent when the result was announced. Okay, so she is saying that now class, you can file around the room. File around means move around the room in a line. Okay, and look at the design drawings which were made by Vanda. Okay, so the children started moving around the room because around the room everywhere the pictures or drawings which were made by Vanda that were displayed. The children burst into applause means they started clapping their hands loudly. Burst into applause means suddenly clapping their hands, started clapping their hands. Even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, but their fingers in their mouth and whistle too, though they were not interested in dresses. See what the boys were doing. Boys were moving in the class. Okay, they were actually not interested in drawings because the boys do not have any interest in drawings of dresses or dresses designs. Okay, so they were not interested in designs of dresses. They just wanted to make noise. Okay, so in a very funny way they were just whistling, they were shouting, they were clapping loudly. So there was much noise which was made by boys. Okay, only they wanted to make noise. They were just praising the drawings. Okay, look, Peg, whispered Maddie. Whispered means to speak slowly. Maddie spoke to Peggy. She said, look, Peg, that's that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, after seeing the dresses, there was one dress which was of blue color. We have read in chapter also that Vanda was always talking about her dresses. She was describing her dresses to the girls, and one she said she had a blue dress, okay, and green one also. So that blue design of dress was also there. Okay, yes, said Peggy, and that's that green one. Okay, here is that green one. So the green dress with red sash about which Vanda was always talking, that was also present there. Boy, I thought I could draw. Boy is the word to show surprise. Okay, so Peggy and Maddie were also shocked to see the drawings made by Vanda. So actually, whenever the girls were asking her how many dresses she had, she used to say she had 100 dresses. Maybe in reality she didn't have any dress, but the reality, the truth behind the lie was that these were 100 designs of dresses which Vanda was making. Okay, so maybe these were the imaginations, maybe these were the dreams of Vanda which she made in form of dresses. Okay, so this way she was a very talented girl. Nobody thought about that. Okay,